Hello again, children. So, over the past 3 lessons, we've looked at perimeter, how to find the perimeter of regular shapes, how to find the perimeter where we've got lines without labels, and how to use what we know about perimeter to solve problems. In the next 2 lessons, we're going to think about the practical use of knowing how to find the perimeter. You're going to be given today 2 tasks, and you need to work it out for me, and then send me your answers by email. Here's the first task. Task number 1. We know that social distancing requires people to stand 2 metres apart from each other. Your job today is to design a classroom, where we could sit 2 metres apart from each other. How big would the classroom need to be if we had all of the children in school? Or if we had half of the children in school? Or if we had 10 children in class? I know that approximately the measurements to a desk are 95 centimetres and 60 centimetres. What sort of rectangle would I need to fit 30 tables in a room that measure 95 centimetres by 60 centimetres? Remembering, of course, we need to keep 2 metres distance between each of the tables. Now, I would suggest you maybe draw this out on paper so you can see it. So the distance between 2 tables, if I move this one here, maybe I can take that and hide that one out of the way. Here's my table, look. And I need the distance between it to be 2 metres that way, 2 metres that way, 2 metres that way, and 2 metres that way. So how much space would I need for 30 tables? Now, I would suggest you start off with something simple like how much space would 4 tables take up? Or maybe how much space would 6 tables take up? Because 6 tables, 30 is a multiple of 6, so that might help us. So your first job today is to find out how much space would I need if I wanted to have 30 tables in my classroom. Actually, that's a bit mean, really. I'm going to change that because we don't have 30 tables in our classroom because we share them, don't we? So let's stick it to 15 tables. How much space would I need for 15 tables in a classroom? Pause the video and have a go. Or close the video down, have a little go at it, and then come back for the second task. Don't forget to email me with your answers. Okay, so here's our second task. A face mask is made up of a sheet that is 27 centimetres by 21 centimetres, 27 centimetres by 21 centimetres. If I need to cut rectangles that are 27 centimetres by 21 centimetres out of one big piece of fabric, how big a piece of fabric would I need for 15 people? How big a piece of fabric would I need for 15 people? Again, you can close the video down, go and work it out, and then email the answers. And that's today's maths, children. You're going to find out about how much space will I need to fit 15 tables in a classroom with my social distancing, and what size piece of fabric would I need to make a face mask for 15 people, 27 centimetres by 21 centimetres. Have a go, email me your answers, and I'll speak to you again.